Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
In a small village, surrounded by the warmth of family and tradition, lived a young boy named Haider. Every evening, Haider eagerly awaited the moments he could spend with his beloved grandfather, Jaffer. One particular evening, Haider and his grandfather set off to attend a majlis, a gathering to commemorate the sacrifices of Imam Hussain and his companions at Karbala. The atmosphere was solemn and reverent as the speaker narrated the tragic events of Karbala, bringing tears to the eyes of the listeners. Haider, sitting beside his grandfather, absorbed every word.
Grandfather, the stories of Imam Hussain and his companions were so powerful, but I have a question.
Of course, Haider. What is it?
At school, my friends had a disagreement, and it's causing a lot of tension. I don't know how to help them understand each other. And what's the best way to find the right friends, especially here in the West, where we are surrounded by so many different types of people?
Haider, the lessons from Karbala can teach us much about friendship, loyalty, and understanding. It's crucial to choose a true believer, a mu'min, as a friend. Let me tell you about some of the companions of Imam Hussain, who were not only his followers, but also his childhood friends. From a young age, Imam Hussain was surrounded by friends who would later stand by his side in the most trying of times. One such friend was Habib ibn Muzahir. Habib, a childhood friend of Imam Hussain, was known for his unwavering loyalty. Despite knowing the inevitable outcome, Habib traveled to Karbala to support his friend and Imam. His sacrifice exemplified true friendship and devotion.
Wow, grandfather. Habib's loyalty was incredible. Were there other friends like him?
Yes, Haider. Another example is Muslim ibn al-Sajjah. Muslim ibn al-Sajjah was one of the first to pledge his loyalty to Imam Hussain in Karbala. He fought bravely and gave his life to protect his friend and Imam. His courage and dedication are remembered to this day.
These stories are amazing, grandfather. They really show what it means to be a true friend. But how can I find and choose such friends?
Haider, it's important to find a mu'min friend, someone who shares your values and beliefs. Building a long-term relationship with such a friend will lead to a true and lasting friendship. Just like the companions of Imam Hussain, a true friend will stand by you in difficult times and help you stay on the right path.
Inspired by his grandfather's stories, Haider approached his friends with a newfound sense of understanding and empathy. He shared the lessons from Karbala, hoping to bring them closer together. The stories of Imam Hussain and his companions not only taught Haider about the importance of friendship, but also inspired him to be a peacemaker among his friends. The timeless lessons of Karbala continue to resonate, guiding young hearts like Haider's to understand the true meaning of loyalty, sacrifice, and friendship. May we all learn from the sacrifices of Imam Hussain and his companions and strive to be better friends and individuals. Thank you for watching.